Are you ready to transform your bathroom into a spooky, stylish space this Halloween without breaking the bank? Imagine walking into your bathroom and being met with eerie yet tasteful decor that sends chills down your spine while still feeling welcoming. How can you strike the perfect balance between creepy and chic? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're revealing the ultimate tips for decorating your bathroom this Halloween. How can I make my bathroom decor creepy without being too scary? Short introduction answer. If you want to go for a creepy vibe without terrifying anyone, there are ways to strike that balance. Let's explore how to bring the spooky without crossing the line into downright scary. Subtle color themes. Opt for a color palette that includes dark tones like black, gray, and deep purples or oranges. You can create a spooky ambiance without it being too overwhelming by layering in these colors through towels, rugs, and accessories. Minimalist spooky touches. Instead of overloading your bathroom with decorations, choose one or two subtle pieces like a spiderweb soap dish or a small haunted house figurine. This adds creepiness without going overboard. Mood lighting. Use soft, dim lighting or battery-operated candles to create a mysterious vibe. The flicker of candlelight adds a touch of eeriness without making the space feel uncomfortable or too dark. What's your favorite tip so far? Drop a comment below with your favorite way to add subtle creepiness to your decor. What are some affordable DIY Halloween bathroom decor ideas? Looking to create an impressive Halloween-themed bathroom without blowing your budget? Affordable DIY projects are a perfect solution. Let's dive into some easy-to-make ideas that will bring the Halloween spirit into your bathroom. DIY Halloween-themed towels. Take your regular hand towels and embellish them with Halloween-themed patches, or use fabric paint to add ghost, pumpkin, or spider designs. This adds a fun and functional touch to your decor. Spooky mirror decals. Create creepy mirror decals using black vinyl or construction paper. Popular designs include bats, haunted houses, or spiderwebs. Apply them to your bathroom mirror for an eerie reflection. DIY apothecary jars. Repurpose old jars and label them with spooky names like witch's brew or zombie brains. Fill them with colored water, fake eyeballs, or cotton to imitate spider webs for a perfect countertop accessory. Love these affordable ideas? Hit that thumbs up and share these DIY tips with friends looking for easy Halloween decor. How can I create a spooky atmosphere with lighting in my bathroom? Short introduction. Answer. Lighting can completely change the vibe of a room, especially during Halloween. With the right lighting choices, you can create a chilling atmosphere that feels both spooky and stylish. Battery-operated candles. Use flameless candles to add a flickering, haunting glow to your bathroom. Place them around your countertop, shelves, or even inside glass jars for a more dramatic effect. Colored light bulbs. Swap out your regular light bulbs for colored ones. Red, purple, or green lighting can make your bathroom feel otherworldly and mysterious. You can also find black light bulbs for an extra eerie vibe. Hanging lanterns. Install Halloween-themed lanterns or small pendant lights. Lanterns with cobweb designs or skull cutouts can cast interesting shadows and enhance the spooky atmosphere. If you're loving these tips, make sure to subscribe for more Halloween decorating ideas coming soon. What spooky bathroom accessories can I add for a Halloween theme? Short introduction. Answer. Accessorizing is key to completing any Halloween look. By choosing the right accessories, you can enhance the spooky vibe of your bathroom. Let's take a look at some must-have Halloween bathroom accessories. Halloween-themed shower curtains. A spooky shower curtain can instantly transform your bathroom. Look for designs featuring haunted houses, ghosts, or eerie forests to set the mood as soon as someone enters the room. Creepy soap dispensers. Switch out your regular soap dispenser for one shaped like a skull, a pumpkin, or even a witch's cauldron. These small touches go a long way in contributing to your theme. Ghastly bath mats. Add a touch of Halloween to your floor by opting for themed bath mats. Look for mats in the shape of coffins, skeletons, or designs that mimic bloody footprints to tie your look together. Want more ideas like these? Check out the playlist in the description for more spooky home decor inspiration. How can I incorporate Halloween into my bathroom without traditional decor? Short introduction. Answer. If you're not a fan of pumpkins and ghosts, but still want a Halloween-inspired bathroom, there are creative ways to incorporate the season's vibe without using traditional decor. Gothic elegance. Opt for a dark and moody Gothic style, using deep colors like black and burgundy, along with ornate accessories like vintage mirrors, candelabras, and lace accents to create a hauntingly beautiful atmosphere. Nature-inspired decor. Use elements from nature like dried flowers, branches, and twigs. Arrange them in vases or jars to give off a witchy, natural vibe that still feels Halloween-like without being overt. Monochromatic themes. Go for a chic, all-black or all-gray theme. Use black towels, black soap dishes, and dark accents to create a subtle yet spooky look that feels sophisticated rather than kitschy. Looking for these cool items? Check the description for products featured in this V. What's the best way to decorate a bathroom for a Halloween party? Hosting a Halloween party? Your bathroom is an essential part of the experience. With the right decorations, you can ensure it fits perfectly into your party's spooky theme. Interactive mirrors. Add foggy decals to your bathroom mirrors, or use temporary glass markers to write creepy messages like, "Get out while you can" for an interactive scare. Fog machines or diffusers. If space allows, a small fog machine or diffuser that produces mist can create an eerie effect in your bathroom. Place it near the sink or under the counter for subtle, ghostly fog. Theme-based sound effects. Install a hidden Bluetooth speaker and play subtle Halloween sound effects like distant screams, howling winds, or creaking doors to add an extra layer of spookiness when your guests enter the room. Loved these ideas for your Halloween party? Make sure to hit that bell and subscribe for more party-themed decor videos. Conclusion. You now have everything you need to transform your bathroom into the perfect Halloween setup, whether it's for a party or just to get into the spooky spirit. From budget-friendly DIYs to creating the perfect eerie atmosphere, your bathroom is sure to stand out this Halloween. So go ahead, try out these ideas and turn your space into a haunted masterpiece. Did you enjoy these tips? Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite Halloween decor ideas.